Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create the backup of your B2 Suite version 2 and how you restore the system. First we open the settings and then go to the tab Backup. We then store the backup on a corresponding folder outside of the B2 Suite. When you are now in need to restore the system, you can easily load the previously saved backup. We go into the settings, then to the backup, open the resource system and load the backup file. In case of an issue with your PC, we advise to store the backup also on an external hard drive.
Thank you for watching this video. If you would like more information about B2 and our products, please visit our website. And if you have any technical queries about your B2 device, please contact our technical support at support@b2hv.com.